students, today we will continue with this chapter, chapter 25, My District. Now we will discuss about Gandhinagar district. So Gandhinagar district has religious places like Akshardham, Mahuri and Dholeshwar Mahadev. So Gandhinagar district has Akshardham, Mahuri and Dholeshwar Mahadev. Then Mehsana district. So Tanvi is from Mehsana district and Mehsana district has historical places like Modhera and Vadnagar. Sun temple of Modhera and Kirti Toran of Vadnagar are famous in Mehsana district. Now Narmada district. So a dam has been built at Navagam village over the river Narmada. The lake formed by this dam is called Sardar Sarovar. Statue of Unity also has been constructed over there. So this is Statue of Unity and it is in Narmada district. Next is Banaskantha district. So this is Banaskantha district in Gujarat. Amirgarh Taluka of Banaskantha district has Jessore Bear Sanctuary. In this sanctuary, bear, nilgai, leopard, porcupine, etc. are seen. Balaram Sanctuary is also in Banaskantha district. Nilgai and bears are seen in Balaram Sanctuary. Next district is Surendranagar. So this is Surendranagar district of Gujarat state. The most famous fair of Tarnetar is famous in all over India of Surendranagar. Here, young men and women enjoy the fair with umbrella on them. Next is Panchmahal district. So here we can see on Gujarat map, this is Panchmahal district. Corn crop is very common in this district. Besides this, wheat, paddy pulses, groundnut and tobacco crops are also grown here. Next is Porbandar district. So this is Porbandar district. In this district, cement and dyes chemical business has flourished a lot. So here we can see this is cement business and dye business are flourished a lot in this district. Now represent following districts in the map. So here this is Gujarat map and we have to present district on this map. So let's start. First is Kutch. So on Gujarat map this area is of Kutch district. Next is Ahmedabad district. So this district is Ahmedabad. Next is Surendranagar district. So here we can see this is Surendranagar district. This is Junagadh district. Next is Bharuch district and this is our Surat district. So here we can see some district on Gujarat map. Now represent following places in the map. So now we will represent places, famous places on Gujarat map. So here first one is Rann of Kutch. So Rann of Kutch is famous in Gujarat and it is only one desert in Gujarat state. Next is Jessore Bear Sanctuary. So in Gujarat state, Banaskantha district has Jessore Bear Sanctuary. So here we can see this is Banaskantha district. Next is Sun Temple of Modhera. So in Mehsana district, these historical places, historical place Sun Temple of Modhera is situated. So here Sun Temple of Modhera. Next is Gandhi Ashram. In Ahmedabad, Gandhi Ashram is very famous. Next is Statue of Unity. So Statue of Unity has been constructed in Narmada district. Next is Girnar. So in Junagadh district, high peak of mountain Girnar is situated. Now represent following states in the India map. So now we will represent states in India map. So let's start. First is Gujarat state. So here this is our Gujarat state. Next is Rajasthan. So on India map this is Rajasthan. Next is Punjab. So this is Punjab on our India map. Next is Uttar Pradesh. So this state is Uttar Pradesh. Next Madhya Pradesh. So this area is Madhya Pradesh. Next is Maharashtra. So this is Maharashtra state. So it's all about this chapter. I will send you PDF file of these chapters so that you have to write down in your notebook and textbook. Thank you.